Welcome fellow coders. Are you feeling puzzled with the questions about debridement and how to code it correctly for the CPC exam? Well, you have come to the right place. In this video, we will dive into the world of debridement, exploring the codes of the debridement and guidelines you need to know, and also some tips that will make your debridement questions easy in CPC exam. So hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell because you won't want to miss any valuable information coming your way. Let's get started on debridement code. What is debridement? Debridement is a medical procedure that involves removing all the gunk and debris from a wound to heal it properly. Why it is important? It is important because it essentially gives your body a clean state to start the healing process. This is the wound, and after debridement it seems to be like this. It's like clearing a garden bed before planting new plants. If you don't clear out the weeds and dead plants, the new plants won't be able to grow properly. Similarly, if you don't remove the damaged tissue from the wound, your body won't be able to heal it properly. So debridement helps your body to start healing process with a clean slate. So this is about debridement. Next, we will understand the debridement course. Tip number 1. Understanding the debridement course. The CPT codes for debridement are divided into different categories based on the layer of the tissue being removed. The first set of codes 11042 to 11044 are the debridement of first 20 square centimeter or less of subcutaneous tissue, muscle or fascia. So these are the different layers of the tissue that is being removed during debridement. So the CPT codes are divided based on the layer of debridement and the extent of debridement, that is up to first 20 square centimeters or less. If the area of debridement is more than 20 square centimeters, then we will have add-on codes 11045 to 11047. So these set of codes are add-on codes used to report each additional 20 square centimeter or part thereof. So about 20 square centimeters, you should give the add-on code to the corresponding main code. So in simple terms, the codes are organized based on how much tissue that is being removed and which layer of tissue being removed. So here is the tissue and here is the extent of debridement. Next, guidelines of debridement. Tip number 2. Single wound, identify the depth of tissue being removed. If the debridement is done on single wound, so when reporting debridement of a single wound, it's important to report the depth using the deepest level of tissue being removed. So, for example, if subcutaneous tissue, muscle, fascia and bone are all removed during a debridement procedure, you would report the code for bone debridement since it is the deepest level of tissue being removed. So these are the levels of the skin: epidermis, dermis, subcutaneous tissue, muscle and bone. During debridement, the bone is being removed, means the provider has to remove all these layers also. So we have to report with the deepest layer of the debridement if single wound is debrided. Coming to tip number 3, multiple wounds. If multiple wounds are debrided at the same time, then what are the guidelines we have to follow? We have to sum the surface area of the wounds. So when dealing with multiple wounds, sum the surface area of wounds that are at same depth but do not combine sums of different depths. So we will see with an example. For example, if bone is debrided 10 square centimeter ischial ulcer and 10 centimeter square heel ulcer, report the work with single code 11044. So here in two types of ulcers, only bone is being debrided. So it is of the same depth. So here 10 centimeter square and here 10 centimeter square. So we can combine both these 10 centimeter square. It will be equal to 20 centimeter square. So we have to report the code 11044 where debridement of bone up to first 20 square centimeters. So next we see another example. If subcutaneous tissue is debrided from abdominal wound and 10 cm square thigh wound, we have to report the work here both are debrided to the same depth. So we will combine the sum the surface area of the debridement. If you combine 16 centimeter square and 10 centimeter square, it will be 26 centimeter square. So we have to report with the two codes 11042, where the debridement of subcutaneous tissue up to first 20 centimeter square, and 11045, which is an add-on code for additional 6 centimeter square. So we will report this debridement with two codes. Next, tip 4. Understand the use of modifier. So if multiple wounds are debrided on the same day, use a modifier 59 with the main codes, either 11042 or 11044 as appropriate. So it will indicate, this modifier indicates the procedure service was distinct or dependent from other services performed on the same day. So this modifier will indicate the multiple procedures. That means the multiple wounds are debrided during the same procedure on same day. So these are the tips and tricks and guidelines for coding debridement. So if you are still here watching my video, thank you for making it to the end. I hope you found these tips and guidelines for coding debridement helpful. If you have any doubts or questions about the CPC exam, any topic, don't hesitate to comment below. I am here to help. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos on medical coding, specifically for CPC exam and medical coding interviews. Thank you for tuning in today, and see you in the next video. Happy coding!